A unique area which is rich in flora and fauna with different ecosystems of land, deltaic beds, and wetlands of Bay of Bengal makes Bhitarkanika one of the largest mangrove ecosystem of India, the hub of various endangered species. But do you know, unlike other national parks or bioreserves, the king of Bhitarkanika is the mighty crocodiles. Hello guys, hope you people have watched and liked our previous video on travel destinations of Berhampur Ganjam part 1. In this video, we will know about this beautiful place called Bhitarkanika. But before that, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for further beautiful destinations. Now, let's start this video. Bhitarkanika Wildlife Sanctuary is spread over 672 square kilometer area in the northeastern region of Kendrapada district of Odisha. River Brahmani and Baitarini, when merges with the Bay of Bengal, they leave huge sediments and form large deltas on which this beautiful Bhitarkanika sanctuary is present. Bhitarkanika, the word itself is made up of two words, Bhitar, which means inside, and Kanika, which means extraordinarily beautiful. That means a place which is hidden, having extraordinary beauty. This wildlife is home for various endangered and mysterious species of reptiles, mangroves, and birds. But the main attraction are the most endangered saltwater crocodiles. Bhitarkanika harbors the largest crocodile population in the Indian subcontinent with more than 1600 in number. It has the rare white crocodile which is named as Sankhua and crocodile with length as long as 23 feet. You can easily find crocodiles with different lengths here. If you want to watch these crocodiles, then the best time to visit this place is between November to April, as during winter season these crocodiles come out of the water to bask in the sun. This is the great place for reptile lovers as it homes largest Indian lizards called as monitor lizards, Indian python, king cobra and olive ridley turtles. Apart from the reptiles, Bhitarkanika is habitat of leopard cats, fishing cats, cheetal, wild boars, hyenas, sambar deers, spotted deers, porcupine and turtles. It is a great expedition of migrant birds for feeding which usually come in the winter season from abroad. This is the perfect place for nesting. Heronriate Bagagahana is the largest nesting ground in the Asia, so various resident birds of India visit this place during monsoon. It has reported almost 320 species of avian fauna having 8 different varieties of kingfishers. Birds which can be easily sighted are egrets, cormorants, woodpecker, bar-headed geese, black ibis, darter and many more. Till now we have just found about the animals that we can easily spot. But besides this, the lush greens of mangroves makes the second largest mangrove ecosystem having almost 71 species. These mangroves can withstand the brackish water of the river and Bay of Bengal, giving a rich, lush green ecosystem for the survival of these endangered and threatened animals. Along with the mangroves, it has indigo bush and casuarinas. Unlike other wildlife where you ride a safari, here you can find exclusive boat safaris. These boat safaris can help you to take a look on the great balance of this wildlife which is rich in flora and fauna, a perfect food for your eye. One of the interesting facts is that the floral biodiversity of wetland Bhitarkanika is largest in India and is second largest after Papua New Guinea in the world. Because of these reasons, it is also called as mini Amazon of India. Isn't it interesting? Unfortunately, this place is least known to most of the people and travelers. So overall, I want to say that if you are a nature lover, then this is your place. If you are a reptile lover, then this is your destination. And if you are a bird watcher, then this is your perfect pilgrimage. I think this video is now sufficient to tell you that this place is worth in being your bucket list of tours. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for further amazing destinations. If you guys know anything else about this place or if you guys want us to explore any place, then please let us know in the comment section. Thank you.